G'day, here's a small parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. They've been wetted. The white that you can see on some of them is a reflection of the lights. First piece, see the bar of colour through there. What we've done with these is just sliced them down so there's not so much weight in the parcel to post it. This is nice electric blues. It needs to be ground off the top there. A couple of these are not so good. Like this piece, a little bit of opal on the end, the rest of it looks like potch. A lot of people use this material for backing for doublets, as a by the way, so it is very nice and hard. This little eye colour here, how far it goes through, there's no indication on the other side, so it's not, maybe just cut this into a shape and keep the opal in the centre. This piece, a little purple bit, again probably just shape that up as it is and use that shape as your stone. Another little eye, it's quite nice little bit of colour in this. Pity it doesn't go through from the appearance. Again, I just cut that into a shape and be satisfied with the colour in the centre of the stone. Another purple blue, electric purple blue piece. Comes through here, but it's not solid by the looks. Lucky last piece with a seam of colour on this top here. Probably be opal and base material mixed, I think, with this bit. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.